these Google fanboys as they navigate Android from a blindness perspective. And now, here are your hosts.
Hello and welcome to episode 23 of the Blind Android Users Podcast. I'm Ed Green and I'm joined this week by my co-hosts Warren Carr and Austin Pinto and special guest from Live Accessible, Kerry Morales. We're recording on Saturday, the 15th of May, 2021. On this week, Austin will bring us up to speed with what's been happening in the announcement section. We're moving Android basics on a little bit, and we're going to start to talk about the must-have apps that you should have on your phone. And this is going to be a long-running feature, so Warren is going to take us through the categories of apps that we're going to be looking at in the coming weeks. In the In Focus section this week, I'm going to be giving you a demonstration of an app that's been the talk of social media for the last year and has finally made it to Android, and that is Clubhouse. In our App of the Week section, we're going to return to web views, and Warren's going to talk to us about how to manage web views on your phone.
Then we have episode 4 in our series on the commentary screen reader from Marion Mosen.
And Kerry is going to be giving us the My Android Journey section this week. How are we all, folks? Good evening from London.
Hello there, everybody. Warren Carr here on the other side of the pond, hiding my knucklehead somewhere here in the state of Washington.
Austin Pinto in India. There are cyclones coming here from all directions. We are having winds of like up to 160 to 180 kilometers and a lot of rains forecasted in the next 2-3 days. So the weather is going to be nice, but a lot of damage. So that is one sad thing.
Just let us know that your house is still standing after all of these, Austin. That's frightening.
Yeah, it'll stand. Yeah, it's coming from all directions. It's like 2-3 cyclones at one time. So
wow, that's frightening.
Wow. Kerry, welcome. You hosted us last week. How are you?
Hi, everyone. Hi, Ed. Hi, Warren. Hi, Austin. Thank you so much for inviting me on here. Yes, last week you guys were on my channel on a live stream talking all about Android and about how blind people do use Android and why we choose to use Android. So it's such a pleasure to be here, and I'm very excited for this podcast.
Thanks for joining. We all had fun last week, didn't we, guys?
We sure did have fun. I think that
Good
was
show.
the coolest live stream we had. That was so nice.
It was really good. So then, Austin, what's been happening?
this week there are lots of big announcements happening. First announcement is that we are just maybe 40 plays short of 7,000 plays in less than 5 months. So that is a big achievement. The next announcement is you have another way of now getting in touch with us, that is on Clubhouse. So you can join blind Android users on Clubhouse. The second big announcement is that some days back, I had posted Clubhouse demo on YouTube. Now we are adding the same demo to the podcast because some of you listen to it on podcasting apps, on our website and other ways. And if you have seen the Clubhouse demo before, it is the same thing. But if you have not seen, then you can stay tuned and enjoy the nice demo brought to us by Edward. That is it from the announcements.
And just to mark your calendars this week, I think, if I'm not mistaken, hopefully Warren or someone will be able to confirm, I think this week is Google I.O., is it?
Google I.O. I think that's Tuesday, isn't it? The 18th. And we probably have a special coverage of that maybe on Wednesday if we're able to. I am not making promises, but if we do have Android 12 public beta come up, then we definitely are going to be talking about that and how to go about enrolling for that beta, which is OTA, and there's no manual flashing or things like that. I hope Google keeps to that schedule, and I'm strongly believing that that would be the case. So if that happens, we probably have a special 10-minute or whatever episode segment either on that Tuesday or on Wednesday, one of those two.
And I think for you lucky boys and girls, I might post some links about how to register for some things. It's all virtual, so you can sign up, although I think places do book out. One of the sessions, I don't read these mail shots particularly assiduously, but one of them talked about virtual swag. I've no idea what virtual swag might be. I'm hoping it's chunky Google Play coupons or something, but I'll try and stick a link in the show notes to something where there might be some swag available if all the places haven't gone.